Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Got your coffee, guys? Good morning. How's everybody doing out there on this thankful Thursday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out my crypto projects, guys, do yourself a favor. Go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. If you haven't checked out my digital marketing program on how you can earn daily pay, all right, and learn digital marketing, go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, we're here today because StableSwap, we're doing an update. StableSwap, as you can see right here in the liquidity pool, has a promo that they're running. All right, it's going to end today. It started yesterday. 0.5% per day, guys. 7 days a week for the long term. Okay. Long term, what's that, about 15% a month? All right, so every now and then, I really like that about what Danny D and the gang do over there, is they may run a little promo. This time, they're running it a little bit longer. And the last couple times that they've run the promo is normally like 24 hours. So this time, check it out right here. This is a private Telegram group, so you can only get in if you are already in. All right, so they got a promo going for 300 days. Love it, love it, love it. Starting May the 22nd through the 23rd, because the group is private now. Okay, you got to have an invite code to get in. So it started yesterday and it's going to end today at 11 o'clock. Philippine time, 0.5% per day, 182.50%. All right, a new 300-day liquidity provision. All right, so a great Memorial Weekend promo, 32 hours. So it started actually yesterday, 3 p.m. GMT time, Philippines. All right, so guess what? I thought I would go ahead and get me, I'm going to actually do twofold. I'm going to do a withdrawal and I'm going to do a provision. All right. So this StableSwap launched in November of last year. They only operate in two coins, USDT and USDC. Okay. And so shout out to the StableSwappers that's out there that's already in this project. I am loving what they got going on. Slow and steady wins the race for me. I'm looking for long-term projects. So they fit the bill. And it's not crypto trading, which there's nothing wrong with that. But a lot of times when it's crypto trading, all your eggs are in one basket. And it depends on the market. Okay. On how that plays out. Whereas this is the total opposite. So I'm loving what they got going on here. So we have a little something here in our USDT wallet. So what we're going to do is we're going to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is 50. And then we're going to take the rest and we're just going to add it back in and just make another provision. So as you can see right here, we've got 743. And we've earned some rewards as well. So so far so good, and we have made several withdrawals with the platform, so no issues, no drama there. You can withdraw from the platform at any time. This runs 7 days a week, as long as you got 50 minimum in your wallet here in your balance. Okay, so as you can see, here are the three terms. 0.1% per day for 60 days. The medium term is 120 days, 0.2% per day. And typically the 300 days is 0.35. But since they've got the promo, it's 0.50. And again, this ends today, this evening at the Philippines time. All right. but normally this is 0.35. All right. So yeah, all you need is USDC or USDT to get in. All right. And so that's how that thing works. Now, Stable Swap no longer has levels far as referrals. They used to have like a level 1, you get 5% of whatever someone that joins your link put in. They've gotten rid of all the levels. Okay, that's gone away. So the way they have it now is you have to first of all have at least 100 in here, 100 USD rather, in provision, right? 100 needs to be here minimum. And then what happens is when someone joins you, right, or they even someone joins you, then it's going to be 15% off of what they earn, right? So an example would be if someone joins you, right, whatever they earn. So if they earn, let's say $50 a day, okay, say their ROI is 50 a day, you're going to earn 15% of that for the duration of that term. So if they selected the 300-day term, they're going to earn 15% of that amount that they earn. All right. So if it's 100 a day they're earning, you earn 15% of that a day for the whole 300 days. That's how it goes now. No more levels, because they don't want to be associated with being with an MLM or any of that, because it's not an MLM. It's not a network marketing company. All right. So they've taken that out of the picture. All right. Because they want to be here for the long haul. This is a real crypto platform. Okay. And that's what they want to be identified as. So they've gotten rid of that. All right. So that's how that goes. So I am earning from my folks, right? I didn't mean to go here. I wanted to go was here. So rewards. Okay. So you get these micro commissions that's coming in. But remember, I'm earning 15% off of what my team is earning per day. Okay. Daily staking profit all the way down. All right. So great stuff. I'm excited for it. I don't have to be worried about this being a rug pull situation. That's not what Danny D is here to do. All right. That's not what how this platform was created. It's not that at all. Matter of fact, look over here. They're at 5 million. Now this thing just launched November 2023, and they've only got 3,100 folks in here, and they've already got in liquidity $5,145,059. Shout out to Spritz. It's crazy, amazing. All right. So let's check it out. What we're going to do is let me show you how simple it is if you want to get started. Of course, if you want to get started, make sure you do your own research. Make sure you only park risk capital in this platform, because I am not a financial advisor, nor will I ever be. All right. I'm just showing you what I'm doing with my crypto, what projects that I've discovered, and I keep you posted as I go through them every day, every week, on what's going on with those projects. And it's on you to take that information, go check into it, see if it works for you. It may or may not. Crypto, these platforms are not for everybody. I think crypto is, right? Because you can literally go out and buy Bitcoin and just sit on it, right? HODL it, hold it. Ethereum, hold it, and not put it in any platforms. But these platforms may not be for you, okay? So that's on you to make that decision. We all are adults, so you decide. But just know it is risky, so make sure you use risk capital. All right. So if you want to get started, though, you would come here, you click deposit. But of course, you got to have an invite code. The company wants us to vet the folks, so I don't have time to train people on how to buy crypto and all that stuff. So basically, I'm just using it as a passive platform. I like it like this. All right. So this is what happens, though. You would come here, hit deposit. and you would decide whether you're going to do USDT or USDC. All right, here's the chains for USDC, Ethereum, or Binance. If you go with USDT, it's Tron, Ethereum, or Binance. All right, then withdrawal is what it is, self-explanatory. We're going to do one in a second. Then they have the internal transfer. If you want to transfer some crypto to another person within the platform, you select the coin, USDT or USDC. You need their username or their email. And then you put the amount here, minimum 25. Shoot it over to them. They're going to charge you 0.5% fee on that. Okay. I'm not sure if the if this is working again. I haven't been on that Zoom to see if this is working, but if it's working, they have what they call gifting. You could actually gift someone an actual liquidity provision. That way you're not just sending them crypto and they can withdraw it. Whereas with this, you actually select the liquidity. Okay, and then you add it, get their email or username that they use, put the amount here, and you actually gift them an actual liquidity, and there's no fee for that one. I'm not sure if it's back up and running. At one point they had taken that down. They were having some issues with it. Not sure if it's 100% yet, but that's there if it is. And then also they have a liquidity calculator here, so you can kind of see the projections of what you would earn, all right, when you park crypto in the platform. Okay, pretty cool stuff. So we've got 3 here. We already have our crypto here, right, that we've earned our rewards. So now all I have to do is process the withdrawal. So I'm going to do that. Hang on one moment. All right, so what we're going to do is go ahead and make a withdrawal, 50 minimum, right? So I'm going to put 50 here, and then I'm going to put this here. We're going to withdraw, and the rest we're going to add another provision. All right, so I click withdraw. USDT is what I want. That's the coin I'm going to use. I'm going to send it here. 50. Boom, boom, bam. Looks good. Let's go. All right. Tron. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Tron. Okay. And withdraw 50. It's going to be $3.50 fee. All withdrawals are verified manually and will be processed in 4 to 12 hours, guys, okay? So just note that so that you don't freak out and go, oh my God, I didn't get it in an hour. No, 4 to 12 hours, okay? So hold your horses. Hang on. All right, our withdrawal has gone through. I paused it because they sent us an email, okay, and they give us a code. Then we still also have our 2FA. Okay, so it's like a double security measure they got on here. All right, so we withdrew that, as you can see right here. See that 102, I think it was, has gone down to 53.30. Okay, that's what we've got left. And so now what we want to do is just go over here to liquidity pool. We're going to take advantage of that 0.5 percent there. We're just going to put that whole, we're just going to put the 53 in there. Okay, 53 USDT. Click here, right? Click that box, 53. I'm going to accept the terms and I'm going to click confirm. USDT, boom, 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 0.5% per day. Yes. Boom, your request has been processed. Voila. That's it. That's all. All right, guys. So there you have it. Stable swap. All right, we click that dashboard and it comes back. See, the balance has gone down to 0.320. That's it. That's all. All right, now let's look over here. See, our balance has gone up to 796. It was what, 740 something. So we've added more value here, right? So we're going to be getting this to 1,000. That's our goal, get this to 1,000. So that's it. That's all for all my stable swappers out there. If you don't know, go right now and add you another provision, guys. This promo ends tonight, 11 p.m. Philippine time. Okay, so get on it. So I wanted to go ahead and bring this out first thing this morning. Happy Thursday. All right, guys. Thankful Thursday, that is. All right, so that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. We got to finish our coffee. All right, guys. Be safe. Have a blessed day.